Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, welcome. Let's get into today's lesson. But before we get into it, if you can and you haven't yet already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way you'll know when I go live, when new lessons are available, we do quizzes, all of those things. I post every single day on YouTube, so you can always get a brand new lesson. All right, so today's lesson is going to be about the difference between 2 and 4. So 2 versus 4. So this is a really tricky one. A lot of my students ask, when do we use 2? When do we use 4? So there are many instances where we can use either of these. So I'm going to go over the ones that are the most difficult for my students to understand or use correctly, okay? So 2 versus 4. I'm going to give you some instances where we use 2 and some instances where we use 4, all right? So we'll get right into it. Okay. So we have 2 and 4 here. So 2, I think everybody knows that we use 2 for destinations when we are going somewhere, physically moving somewhere, okay? So I'm going to Italy. I'm going to India, right? Going to a place. So I'm physically moving and I have a destination, okay? Then we can also use to with giving. So please give this to your mother. Please hand in your homework to your teacher. Okay, you are giving something over, all right? Then we also use to for reasons. Now this one is a little bit more tricky. I think some students get confused a little bit when using to. So we can use to for a reason or kind of a motive why something's happening if you use a verb, okay? So for example, I wear this jacket to keep warm, okay? Keep is a verb, so we can use to keep warm, all right? So let's look at for, all right? We can use for when we're talking about help, right? Can you hold my bag for me? For me. So you are helping me, right? You're helping someone. Okay, you do something for someone, okay? We can also use for when we're talking about benefits, okay? Something is good for you. Something is good for you, okay? So an apple a day is good for you. It's good for your health, right? Eating an apple a day is good for your health, okay? Then here's another tricky one. We can use for when we're talking about a reason or why something is happening or why we want something. And we can use for when it is with a noun, okay? So here, to you can use for a reason, but it has to be with a verb. Here, reason, but with a noun, we can use for. Okay, so I think that is the trickiest one. A lot of students make mistakes and they will use for with a verb or to with a noun. So try not to mix them up, okay? So when we need a reason, so why something, make sure you know what's coming next. Is it a verb or a noun? And then you'll know if it's to or for, okay? So let's get into some examples. We have some exercises here. So you can decide your answer, to or for. You can write it in the comments and then we'll go over it together, okay? So looking at number 1, Could you carry this box? Me. It's heavy. Could you carry this box? Me. It's heavy. Are we going to use to or for? To or for? Okay. You can write your answer in the comments. Hopefully this one's easy. Could you carry this box? The correct answer is for me. Could you carry this box for me? Very good. Okay, it's heavy. Could you do this for me? So we are asking for help. We're asking for help. Could you do something for me? Okay, I will do something for you. All right, let's look at number 2. Drinking lots of water is good your health. Drinking lots of water is good your health. What is the answer? To or for? Write it in the comments. Okay, drinking lots of water is good for your health. So, something is good for you. That is a benefit, a benefit. When you benefit from something, you can use for. Something is good for you. Something is good for me. It's good for all of us, okay? So, number 3, let's try this one. I'm going Tom's house. Easy one. This should be easy, right? I'm going Tom's house. All right, which one do you think? 2 or 4? Should be pretty easy. All right, the correct answer is 2. Hopefully that one was okay. So we are going somewhere. We are moving. So we have a destination, Tom's house. So we're going to use to. I'm going to Tom's house. Okay? Very good. All right. Let's try the next one. Number 4. She went the store buy some milk. She went the store buy some milk. So we have 2 answers here. Okay, so this answer and this answer, write it in the comments. Number 4. I'll give you 1 second to think. Okay, so the correct answer, she went to the store. So we have an action. We're going somewhere. Where are we going? The store. This is our destination. She went to the store, buy some milk. Okay, so why did she go to the store? The reason, so we could use for or to, reason, but here, buy. Is buy a noun or a verb? Well, it's a verb, so we're going to use to. She went to the store to buy some milk. Okay, so if we wanted to use reason with a noun, if you wanted to just use the noun milk, she went to the store for milk. That's all you need to say. She went to the store for, then we need a noun, for what? Milk. Okay, the reason was milk. All right. Number 5, please give this present him. Please give this present him. Number 5. This one is also tricky for a lot of students, I think, when you're just talking. So sometimes people will mix up, oh, please give this present. Which one is it? Which one is it? Hopefully you know. Please give this present. Correct answer is to him. So remember, when we are giving something, we're going to use to. Give this to him. Hand this to her. So giving something over, we're going to use to. Okay, and the very last one, number 6, let's meet lunch. Let's see if you can get this one. Let's meet lunch. 2 or 4, write it in the comments. Okay. So the correct answer here is let's meet. Let's meet. Why should we meet? What is the reason we are meeting? Well, the reason is lunch. And lunch is a noun. Okay, so reason, noun, we're going to use for. Let's meet for lunch. Let's meet for lunch. Lunch is a noun, so we're going to use for. All right, very good. Please, in the comments down below, if you can, try to write an example sentence using one of these 6 ways to use to or for. All right, I'll be checking your comments, so do that as soon as you can. All right, very good. So thank you everybody for watching today's lesson. I really appreciate it. Thank you for everyone in the comments. You guys are awesome. I have to go because I have a little bit of a busy day today. I'm very sorry about that, but I will be reading your comments. So thank you for your patience. All right. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and I will see you guys for our next lesson tomorrow. Bye, everyone.